एवरीवन, पीडीपीएम नॉलेज में आपका एक बार फिर से स्वागत है। आज हम आपको टोटल क्वालिटी मैनेजमेंट के कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यू में प्रैक्टिस सेट नंबर 18 कराने जा रहे हैं। इससे पहले के सारे वीडियो हमने चैनल के प्लेलिस्ट में ऐड करा दिया है। आप वहां पे चैनल के प्लेलिस्ट में जाकर देख सकते हैं। आपको नोटिफिकेशन टाइम टू टाइम मिलता रहे, इसके रिगार्डिंग आप चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं और अपने दोस्तों के साथ भी शेयर कर दीजिए। यहाँ पे आपको एकेटिव रिगार्डिंग मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यू कराया जा रहा है, जो कि आपके एग्जाम के पर्सपेक्टिव मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट है। तो आप वीडियो को देखना बिल्कुल भी ना भूलें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें। आइए देखते हैं प्रैक्टिस सेट नंबर 18 के कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यू का। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एन ऑटोक्रेटिक स्टाइल ऑफ लीडरशिप? ऑप्शन ए डायरेक्टिंग स्टाइल ऑफ लीडरशिप, ऑप्शन बी कंसल्टेटिव स्टाइल ऑफ लीडरशिप, ऑप्शन सी पार्टिसिपेटिव स्टाइल ऑफ लीडरशिप एंड ऑप्शन डी डिलेजिटेटिव स्टाइल ऑफ लीडरशिप। इसका राइट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन ए डायरेक्टिंग स्टाइल ऑफ लीडरशिप इज एन ऑटोक्रेटिक सिस्टम ऑफ लीडरशिप। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, when the leader is more versed and has a wide range of the knowledge about the subject, he or she decides to have the final say and does not feel the need to consult his or her team. Question number 2. In which of the following leadership styles the workforce have little input or feedback? Option A directing style of leadership, option B consultative style of leadership, option C participative style of leadership and option D डिलीगेटिंग स्टाइल ऑफ लीडरशिप। इसका राइट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन ए डायरेक्टिंग स्टाइल ऑफ लीडरशिप। इन डायरेक्टिंग स्टाइल ऑफ लीडरशिप द workforce have little input or feedback. It is having an autocratic style. This is due to the fact that the leader may be versed in taking the final decision for the matter under concern. The type of leadership style in which the leader seeks input from those working under him or her is called option A indirect style of leadership, option B consultative style of leadership, option C direct style of leadership and option D delegating style of leadership। इसका राइट आंसर होगा consultative style of leadership। The type of leadership style in which the leader seeks input from those working under him or her is called consultative style of leadership. This kind of leadership encourages participation from the workforce of the organization. Question number 4. In consultative style of leadership, the dash is the final decision maker. ऑप्शन ए लीडर, ऑप्शन बी वर्कफोर्स, ऑप्शन सी फाउंडर, ऑप्शन डी को-फाउंडर। इसका राइट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन ए लीडर। In consultative style of leadership, the leader is the final decision maker. The leader may take advice, suggestion and input from the workforce, but the final decision is made by the leader. Question number 5. Which of the following is false regarding participative style of leadership? Option A leader assign work to the workforce. Option B leader provides guidance during the workforce. Option C leader make decision based on the conclusion made by the workforce and option D leader does not assign any tasks to its workforce। इसका राइट आंसर होगा leader does not assign any tasks to its workforce। आइए देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 6। In which of the following kind of leadership style the individual or team is given responsibility and authority to complete the tasks with minimum input from the leader? Option A directing style of leadership, option B consultative style of leadership, option C participative style of leadership, option D delegating style of leadership। इसका राइट आंसर होगा delegating style of leadership। In delegating style of leadership, the individual or team is given responsibility and authority to complete the tasks with minimum input from the leader. The leader checks to verify successful completion of the assignment and participates only if he or she feels it is necessary. Question number 7. Which of the following is not a kind of leadership skill required for effective leadership? Option A vision, option B empowerment, option C intuition, ऑप्शन डी थ्रीट। इसका राइट आंसर होगा थ्रीट। विजन, एम्पावरमेंट, इंस्टीट्यूशन, self-understanding, and value congruence are the 5 core leadership skills required for effective leadership. A leader without skill can never impact effective quality into the system. A leader with these skills can impart quality and also focus on continuous improvement. A leader should never threaten his or her workforce. Question number 8. Dash occurs when leaders integrate their values into the company's system. Option A, institution. Option B, self-understanding. Option C, value congruence. ऑप्शन डी, विजन। इसका राइट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन सी, वैल्यू कॉन्ग्रुएंस। वैल्यू कॉन्ग्रुएंस occur when the leader integrate their value into the company's system. Values are assumption and belief related to the nature of the business, mission, people and relationship of an organization. Question number 9. Which values does an effective leader focus on? Option A, trust and respect of individuals. Option B, openness. Option C, teamwork. And option D, disintegration. इसका राइट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन डी, disintegration. An effective leader focuses on the value of trust and respect of individuals, openness, teamwork, integrity, and commitment to quality. He or she focuses on value congruence. He or she should realize that effective leadership need to improve, incorporate value congruence. Question number 10. The vision of a leader is crucial during times when the customer need change. ऑप्शन ए, ट्रू। ऑप्शन बी, फॉल्स। आपको बताना है कि ये स्टेटमेंट ट्रू है या फिर फॉल्स। इसका राइट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन ए, ट्रू। द विजन ऑफ ए लीडर is crucial during times when the customer needs change. They recognize the real organizational changes taking place today as opportunity to achieve total quality. Question number 11. Leaders empower employees to take and assume ownership of problems or opportunity and to be proactive. ऑप्शन ए, ट्रू। ऑप्शन बी, फॉल्स। आपको बताना है स्टेटमेंट ट्रू है या फिर फॉल्स। इसका राइट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन ए, ट्रू। Leaders empower employees to take and assume ownership of problems or opportunities and to be proactive. They need to be proactive in implementation, continuous improvement strategies, and making decisions in line with vision, mission, and quality policy of the organization. So please like, share, subscribe this channel for latest video and update.